Hi guys, here's how you can install this portable AI USB which works 100% offline, fully portable, zero trace, and works with Ollama, Llama 3, anything LLM, and works for both Windows and Mac. So here are all the details that you would require to run the application. Let's try to install this on our USB. First, let's download this file, go to Code and download zip. The file has been downloaded, show in folder. So here is the main files. Now let's copy this file to our USB drive. I will quickly insert a USB drive. So here's my drive. It's recommended to use at least 16 GB of USB. This one is 32 GB. Before doing anything, we highly recommend it to format the USB. Format, and I will use exFAT as it can then be used for both Windows and Mac. And start. All the files and everything will be deleted. Okay, so the format has been completed. Now let's open the zip file. I'm using WinRAR. Open this folder as well. And here's my USB drive. Open it and extract all the files to USB. I'll simply drag it here. It's much faster. So make sure all the files are here and not inside any folders. Once this is done, simply click on install.bat. Press any key to continue. Here are the models you can download. So Nemomix is about 7 GB, Dolphin is about 4.9 GB, it's uncensored. If you do coding, try Mistral or his Queen, Llama and Phi. So install any model you want as per your needs. But for this video, we will use this Dolphin. So type 2 and enter. Now this will download the Dolphin model, which is about 4.9 GB in size. So this might take some time. I can close this. So the model has been downloaded and it is now downloading the AI engine. This will also take some time. So now a manual action is required. The official Anything LLM installer will open now. We need to adjust the path to the location. Choose your USB, D drive, Anything LLM. So please make sure to change this. Browse. So ours is D drive and Anything LLM. So this is the exact location. Okay, so this is fine and install. So the installation has been done. Finish. Allow. So the interface is loading. So here is it. Open Assistant. Later you can press Ctrl+/. I will close this. And here is Anything LLM. And you can ask anything and it works offline. If you click here, you can adjust text size and memories. And if you click on this setting and go to chat settings, and here you can choose various models, but you will have to download the models. So here is how you can use portable AI on a USB drive. Thank you very much.